Hey you guys, so we're here. Hi! My partner's friends is also here. So excited.
So, I get to apply the art direction techniques into photography right away. Yeah.
Kasi napipigilan kayo, kunyari, yung...
Ano po yung film grain o yung ano yung kulay, yung quality no ano ng In the Mood for Love. Alright? Which, as it, na-research ko siya, as it turns out, they were using a film back here.
Yung video light or yung...
Strobes. Okay, again. Pabalik ka sa intention.
Thank you very much for joining us this afternoon. We're very happy to see each and every one of you here. So, you know, this is a nice, intimate session. We're happy.